Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 24th of March, 2023. I wanted to do a real quick video for Tron today because I know if you guys are followers of this particular cryptocurrency, you already know that the founder of Tron, Justin Sun, got sued by the SEC securities for manipulating market. Look what happened to the price once that came out. You guys can see that the market in Tron was on the way going up in price like we predicted on our video on the 24th of March. And you guys can actually see now that price got hit and it went down and it exceeded our area of support, which was around 6 cents, but it came right back up. So we're still in line with our original idea right now, but I'm here to tell you that as we go through this video, if I still see that Tron is getting weaker, then I'm gonna have to let this one go and play the move to the downside, because this will have reverberations. Talk about this lawsuit against the SEC to the downside. So let's look at this real quick on the 2-day chart for Tron. You guys can see that the last 2 days, the volume definitely came through, but we saw price come off the lows. That simply means that buyers came into the market in Tron. Okay, so we definitely can tell that people saw this as an opportunity to come in and buy Tron. Let's take a look at this on the 3-day chart real quick. And again, in the next day in 14 hours, you guys can see how price currently is closing up there off of the highs, which still tells me that there's sellers here in the market in Tron. 5-day chart, again, we got a probable precursor of strength. This pretty much shows us that the market is bouncing off of this long-term trend line, which is again a good thing to see for the long term. It lets us know that the buyers are still trying to control the market movement in Tron. So far, all is not lost in terms of Tron not going up, but we definitely need to be careful and cautious that it can still definitely do that, considering what occurred over the last couple of days in terms of news. Okay, so as of right now, I'm not going to come and change the idea. Well, hold on now. So now that I see this on the 5-hour chart, here is telling me that sellers are still coming to the market in Tron. Okay, we saw the market recover from that impact of news that the SEC is going to sue Justin. Market ran back up, got rejected, and we still see weakness coming in. So we may need to let this go and play some weakness into the market and Tron, because we're not seeing any follow through in the market. Okay, so let me see this on a different hourly chart. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and cut this price prediction out the way, because I don't like how the weakness is currently coming to the market in Tron here. So that would be 4.57% loss right there if we were to take that out the way. And my concern is looking at the chart on a daily time frame, is looking at how the market in Tron is trending lower on these highs. Okay, you see that? How the market is trending lower, making lower highs into the market. We definitely need to keep our eyes open on that too. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold this light right here. And this is the current area that the market is going to make a squeeze from. Okay, we can see how price action either is going to break outside of this triangle, or we'll see the market in Tron break down. Okay, so let me give this a couple more screens to see how the market's going to trade, because currently the market is definitely showing us that there's some weakness coming in this particular crypto. Zooming out, as long as we can see price find support around here, I would say preferably around 6 cents like we had originally as support, then the market has a greater chance of going higher. So let me do this. I'm going to put on this price prediction, just simply looking for Tron to run down towards 6 cents. We'll see how much that is. So it's like 5.5% market move to the downside there. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 targets. Let me go ahead and bring up the magnifying glass so you guys can see it. So the first target is going to be right here at 0.062. You guys can see that's on a 2.25% market move there. 0.062. And then my second one's gonna be around 6 cents, which is around 5.25, 5.36, right there around 6 cents. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it there. We'll see if the weakness continues into the market of Tron. If so, we'll continue to go down towards that trend line, that ascending line, which is currently down here. But if not, we'll definitely see the buyers come in around 0.062 or 6 cents. Will give us even more confirmation that the market is still bullish. Okay, so that's what I'm on the lookout for. Give me your thoughts. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys want more of an update, and get a heads up as to where price is presumed to go. And we'll see. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.